wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Glamour wig from Main Attraction, and this is in the color Creamsicle. This wig is totally 80s. It's got a lot of, just complete mall hair awesomeness going on, though a lot of this is not only achieved via the texture, but also the fact that she's got a lot of permatease. So if you're not down with the permatease, you'll want to give this one a miss. But if you like the permatease and you are cool with the permatease and you like what you can do with the permatease, then whoa Nelly! This one can be a real riot.
Looking good, looking good. Ooh, saucy. Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty good look on the whole.
I'm gonna take Glamour off now so I can show you the cap construction. So you might imagine the cap construction is kind of basic. Open capped, so that's best case scenario for a wig that's this big and poofy and has this much hair on it, because honestly that's going to help keep you cool under all that hair. We have a big band of felt right here at the front hairline, a generous bump of permatease right here at the crown. We've also got open wefts on the sides and in the back. You're going to have more hair on the top than you are on the back and the sides, and you might be like, how do you know that? Look how close all these tracks are and look at how spaced out all these are. Makes it kind of easy to see, right? Then back here we have no extended nape whatsoever, but there's felt at the nape, standard nape. And then we have Velcro adjusters that hook into that, as well as open ear tabs. And I intentionally chose to review this in a light, non-rooted color, so you could see the permatease in all of its glory. I almost said blaze of glory. Bon Jovi reference. I'm really trying here, folks. So here is that texture up close. You can see, especially here at the nape, you can get a really good look at what kind of not so curl this is. I mean, you can see it's got a bit of that curl texture, like they started to curl it and then kind of gave up on it. That's what gives it this beautiful kind of wild child, sloppy chic kind of appearance. So if you are really petite or you don't like a lot of volume, you'll want to stay away from wigs that have this cap construction. But if you embrace a little bit of va-va boom up here on top, these are really great cap constructions, and you don't have to sit there and tease them. They call it permatease for that reason. It's already teased for you. That's why you get this shape, this body on top, that really offsets all of these layers. So I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com, bringing you a review of the Glamour wig from Main Attraction in the color Creamsicle. We really love hanging out with you here on YouTube, so thank you for spending your time with us. We really appreciate it. If you get a sec, be sure to check out our wig store, which is CysterWigs, but spelled funny. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye. And if you think of 80s puns, please put them in the comments. I'm all about them today.